on, guys? So, as you saw in the little intro, the antenna hits the garage, which is not a big deal because the truck's like never in there. But I found this on Amazon. It was like $20, so I said, why not give it a shot? It'll be a little bit different look than having the, you know, big tall antenna. Rather than this super long guy right here, we're just gonna have this little 50 cal bullet antenna, which obviously a lot of people have mixed reviews on these things. This one specifically had pretty much one negative review out of a bunch on Amazon, and usually you see a lot more negative posts than anything because you really only post whenever you're complaining about something. But yeah, so it is a ammo antenna. Ha ha ha, you get it? Ha ha. It's a knee slapper right there. But yeah, obviously I'll put the link for all this in the description and whatnot. It's a little like fake carbon fiber looking, which I'm not crazy about. I'd rather just been solid black. They do make solid black ones obviously, but most of those are like 40, 50, 60 and up dollars, whereas this one was 20 bucks with really good reviews. So I figured, what the heck, I'll give it a shot. So I guess I'm gonna prop the camera up somewhere and we're gonna get to installing this thing. So I seriously doubt any of y'all need help taking your antenna off, but I guess just for the sake of having a little filler in this video, y'all can watch me take mine off. So gonna wrap it in with a little rag just so we don't mess the paint up. Comes with several adapters, so I guess this is pretty generic. You can use with pretty much any vehicle. So let's get that chopped off. Always cut towards you, never away. I'm not responsible if you agreed to that. So there's our actual antenna. It looks pretty good. It's not very bold, fake carbon. I dig it. Probably should have kept those all not mixed up. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Come on out of there, everybody. All right, so it looks like there's two ways to do it. You can use that one or this one. I took this guy and matched it up with the factory antenna and then screwed it into this guy, which screws into here. It's just a little adapter for some height. I don't know if you have to use it, but that's how it should be. You just use that one fat adapter and you just kind of got to finagle it in here because it is a pretty tight fit. And then screw it down. Just like that. And there she is installed. And it is nice and straight. I was a little worried at first because it seemed like it was gonna maybe be crooked, but it's on there. I dig it. What do y'all think? I think it looks pretty cool. The carbon fiber fake look does not stick out too much, which I'm thankful for because I was a little worried it was gonna look a little gross or cheap, but it doesn't appear to. And now I dig it. It's kind of like it's not even there, but it is there. It's definitely a lot bigger than that tall antenna. So I think it looks sweet. I like it. All right, guys, so obviously the big thing that everybody's worried about when they get a Shorty antenna is, does the reception suck now? And honestly, it's not gonna affect me one way or another because I honestly don't listen to the radio. I either have a podcast or YouTube video or Pandora or something playing. I just don't listen to the radio, so this isn't gonna affect me. But obviously, I want to express to y'all the honest truth about it because I know a lot of y'all probably still do listen to the radio and you don't want to get a little Shorty antenna, even if it looks cool, if it ruins your reception. So I had one on my old Mustang and it absolutely did ruin the reception, and I only had it on there for a little while and then ditched it because it was just annoying and it wasn't enjoyable. So obviously this one is, like I said, a $20. I think it was right at $20 shipped. And so that's stupid cheap. That's a simple, easy mod pretty much everyone can do. And I think it looks really good. It definitely gets rid of that. If you do park your truck in a garage, you won't have to worry about it dragging. It's not like it's hurting anything doing that, but it is annoying hearing it smack it and stuff. So, and this obviously does look cooler. but you don't want to have one of these if the reception sucks. So from here, we'll jump to a couple weeks in the future. So let's do that and see how it is. All right, guys, so update on the antenna. This is going to be talking about the reception to end this video off. And unfortunately, I am here to report it does pretty drastically affect your radio station. So if you see right here, you got HD1, and then like here doesn't have any HD. But if you come over here, this will say HD, and then it'll connect. There we go. So as soon as it gets that color, it is perfectly clear. Try not to get copyrighted. However, if it doesn't, you can still hear it, but it's obviously not anywhere near as good. And that's pretty decent. That didn't have any static in it. Let's see if you can hear it swap over. Y'all hear how much better it got whenever it connected? So if it connects to HD, then it's perfect. It's no different than with the other antenna. But if it's not connected, it is not as good. So with that, that'll be the end of this video. Just want to let y'all know. So if you do listen to a lot of radio and maybe not get HD stations, probably not the best buy for you, honestly, because you're gonna be a little upset with the static and whatnot. So if not, like myself, I don't listen to the radio like ever, so this is not going to affect me at all. But just wanted to inform y'all so you don't waste your money if you do listen to a lot of radio. So with all that being said, me and Huey, we'll catch you on the next one.